E-bond management. How to create e-bond. Logging into the IceGate portal. Prerequisite. Ensure you have valid login credentials for the IceGate portal. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Confirm you have the necessary permissions to access the e-bond section. Steps. From your dashboard, select Services. From the drop-down menu, select e-bond. Then click on Create e-bond. Step 1. Enter entity details. Prerequisite. Have your GSTIN and entity IEC details readily available. Ensure the details align with your official business registration. Check that the system auto-populates certain fields correctly before proceeding. Steps. Start by entering GSTIN. Some fields will auto-populate. Enter entity IEC. Select the legal constitution of the party entity. Select the date using the calendar tool. Select the state. Click on Continue. Step 2. Enter e-bond details. Prerequisite. Verify that you have the correct bond value in Indian rupees, INR. Ensure you understand the bond scenario relevant to your transaction type. Prepare clear and legible copies of all required supporting documents for attachment. Steps. Select Custom Location. Enter the bond value. Enter the stamp duty amount. Select Bond Scenario Provisional Assessment. Select the purpose for which the bond can be utilized. Attach supporting documents. Click on Add Bond Scenario. Select Bond Scenario Import as per Section 143. Select the purpose for which the bond can be utilized. Click on Add Bond Scenario. Select Bond Scenario Special Warehouse under Section 59, Subsection 2. Select the purpose for which the bond can be utilized. Click on Add Bond Scenario. Click on Continue. Step 3. Add signatory details. Prerequisite. Ensure that your registered mobile number is active to receive the OTP. Confirm you have access to your DigiLocker account for Aadhaar validation. Be ready to check the final details before submission. Steps. Click on Validate Aadhaar. Click OK. The page will redirect to a third-party website. Sign into your account via DigiLocker. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Click on Sign In. A pop-up message will appear saying Aadhaar validation success. Click on Preview. Check all the details carefully. You can also download the form as a PDF. Click on Submit. Your form has been submitted successfully, and it will trigger an SMS to the registered mobile number and email ID that the draft e-bond has been submitted, and the details will be sent to the jurisdictional customs officer. Now, the request will be forwarded to the jurisdictional admin officers, superintendent and ACDC of customs. Subsequently, as per the judgment of the officer, they may approve, reject, or raise a query on the application for further clarification. The user can view the request status under the Status column on the user dashboard.